Hi, it's Angie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a series of videos reviewing the pieces that are going to be released in August at homebeads.com. This bracelet design is a combination from two collections, the Hipster Collection and the Back to School Collection. And I thought they worked really well together and I love the design I came up with. So the first bead is Who Has Class, and it's obviously this adorable little owl who represents education and teachers and being wise. He has a cute little mortarboard hat and glasses and a bow tie and a little bell. But I love the detail on the feathers and the talons of this owl because I just love birds. So he's very cute and he will be $50. And then I also have this, which is called Got Your Back, which is $70, and it's an amazing backpack and it's just chock full of stuff. This can be perfect to represent your school bag or camping. Lots of uses for this one. And there's so much detail on it and it's quite chunky, and I just think it works so well with this design of going back to school. And there's also boarding, which is a trio of skateboards, which is a lot of fun. I don't have that one to show you, but it's really cool, and that one will be $30 and it's like a chunky spacer. And then we have the Hipster Collection, which is all about music, and it's 4 silver beads, and I have a few of them here. I have 3 of them, 3 of the 4. So the first one is this, which is called Distant Waves, and it's $45. And as you can see, it's like an old-time radio, and it's, oh my gosh, so much detail on here, and I just love that retro look. Really nice look at the bottom. It's so beautiful. And then we have this one, which is called Move About, which is like a little Sony Walkman, and the headphones on top, and who of a certain age doesn't remember being able to take your music with you and what a difference that made in life. And then I also have Personal Bubble, which is this tiny little set of headphones. Really, really cute. There's also another silver bead in the Hipster Collection, and it's called Boxed Emotion, and it's $45, and it's a really detailed boom box, and that piece will really round out the music inspired Hipster Collection. I think these two collections work really well together, Back to School and Hipster Collection, and they both release on August 5th, 2021 from homebeads.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.